considering ethical implications in prompt engineering. As we optimize prompts, it's essential to consider the ethical implications. AI models can unintentionally generate biased or harmful responses depending on the prompt. By carefully designing and testing prompts, we can reduce the likelihood of negative outcomes and ensure that our AI applications remain transparent, fair, and respectful of privacy. Output examples. Unethical output. Some people are better because they avoid harmful or biased outputs. Ethical output. Diversity and inclusion in the workplace lead to more innovation, creativity, and improved problem solving.